YouTube, it's Rico. And it's Mimi, y'all.
Right now, we out and about making moves and stuff. I gotta get some gotta get some stuff for the crib. But we'll show y'all pretty much what we got. It ain't nothing major. It's just shit for the dog, really, that we got. And then we got some more stuff actually coming for our house tour, our apartment tour, not house.
Yeah.
House tour coming soon, though, in the near future. Just stay tuned. But we ain't telling y'all when that's gonna happen. Y'all just need to stay tuned to the channel. Other than that, yeah, man, we got a lot of stuff going on today, so we trying to hurry up and make a lot of moves. So we got some stuff getting delivered as well today to the house, to the apartment.
We see that y'all fuck with our vlogs. He's gonna go check the mail real quick. But we see that y'all really mess with our vlogs, so we'll be vlogging a lot more for y'all, showing y'all what we do on a daily basis. In Phoenix right now, it's 100 degrees, and that ain't nothing. I got me a little package. I wonder what's in this one. I wonder what's in this one. First class.
You can say that for the vlog too.
Oh.
So pretty much
it's probably for my wig, y'all. I think this is the got to be spray. Y'all will see all of that stuff when I end up getting everything. But yeah. We like I said, we're just really trying to bring more vlogs so you guys can see basically what we do on a daily basis. Nothing special. Babe, are you sure you don't want a nugget? Because I'm getting full. Here, just eat one.
Just say it. I'm gonna get my food later after I
He
get
hungry, but he don't want a nugget. Ew, I'm on burping and stuff.
But yeah, y'all, so we'll see y'all in a little bit after we make the move real quick. We gotta go pick some package up from the post office right now, just because our apartment thing ain't taking packages and stuff right now. So we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Peace. What's going on, y'all? So we just got back to the house. Malik just ate. Our TV stand is right. Oh, I can't. Okay. Our TV stand is right over there in that big box. Blanca, girl, I bought her some new toys and a new bed. She loves it. But anyway, so yeah, me and Malik are about to set this TV stand up. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all the finished product when it's done. Girl, you wanna say something? But she always have this look. She be like you could just see her facial expressions. But she just be chilling. She like her little toys in bed. She has her own fan because it is hot in Arizona. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to you guys when we're done setting this up. And yeah, so hey y'all. Alright, so me and Rico just finished putting together the TV stand. Show y'all what it looks like. So boom, white TV stand, and the TV, it kind of matches with our couches with the silver and stuff. This rug throws it all off, but it'll be gone pretty soon when I figure out what kind of carpet I want. But yeah, so we just finished building that. But I wanted to do, or did you have anything to say before I do my little unboxing? Yeah, oh my gosh, building stuff, y'all, that shit gets stressful. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of stuff off Amazon because I'm waiting for my wig. But I had ordered some stuff for my wig installation because I'm going to go ahead and try it myself. So let's just open up the first package. Looks like I'm gonna just have to do this by hand. Babe, where'd you put that knife? Alright, so I got a couple things here. Honestly, we just gonna see what it is. Cause thank you. All right, y'all, so here's the first package. I could feel it. It's something, it's a single item. I don't know which one it is though. Okay. Ooh. So that's what it is. It's the Nairobi Rapid and Shine Foaming Lotion. This is for my edges when I get my wig. I'm so excited. So that's the first product. Let's see. The next one. You know what? Okay, so, oh, this is so cute. All right, so I got the it's a mini one, the Got To Be glue, and this one's just the styling gel. So I got that and also some wig glue, like lace glue. This is the Ghost Bond lace glue. Next, I think these are my wig caps because it's so flat. So, let's see. And it really is, and it doesn't really match me, but it will when I put foundation on it. So, 2 wig caps. All right, on to the bigger package. Let's see what it is. What? He just be so nosy so he can talk crap later. Okay, because someone wanted to end my video. Anyway, I know, being ignorant. Anyway. This one, oh, it's the flat iron, because if y'all know, I don't use heat on my hair, but when I get my wig, I will be using heat. So I had to get a straightener or else it would look ratchet. Ooh, and it's like one of those good ones too, by the way. It comes with, ooh, an argan oil soothing conditioner pack. And then it comes in a velvet, ooh. Matter of fact, I'm gonna unbox this for y'all. Came with that. Here's the straightener itself. HSI. Let me know if y'all heard of that brand. A heat protecting glove, which nobody ever uses. And a velvet bag, which that is really pretty. So I'm gonna throw all this back in the box. All the other stuff. That's cute that it came with this little argan oil packet. Alright. So let's see. That was what was in the straightener box. And then what else came in this package was this. And I have a feeling this is gonna be my most used product. Even without a wig. So let's open it. How? Look how irritating he is. Look at him. Okay. Alright. So in this little package, this came out. And let's see, open it up. Oh, I knew it. So I'm ordering my hair off of Alley Pearl, and it came with my Alley Pearl edges wrap. I'm sick. So to wrap my edges, to lay them down. I've always wanted one of these, and I finally got one. So yeah, my edges wrap, and it also came with a, oh, it's gonna be my most used product for real. Came with a edges brush. I'm hecka excited, y'all. Hecka. Little comb, the little brush. My edges are like laid really fast today because I didn't feel like doing them, but boom, an edges brush with a little comb on this side. I wouldn't even combing nothing out, but, and also it came with a measuring tape. So yeah, that's what came in this little bag. Probably gonna be my most used because I am obsessed with edges. Right now, y'all can't tell, but so yeah, that's cute. Last but not least, I got a box. Let's go ahead and open it. You on camera looking absolutely crazy. Okay. Ooh. All right. So this one came with the Got To Be hairspray, which this stuff is like amazing. I haven't used it, but I see laces get melt all the time with this stuff. So I'm really excited to use it. It's warm because in Arizona, but yeah, my Got To Be spray. Next, I got, it's a hot comb, y'all. This goes up to 450 degrees, and this is when like I do my wig. I go ahead and, you know, I just heard it was essential, so I had to get it. And last but not least, my heat protected blend, and it's also argan oil, which is really cool. It smells really good. And yeah, so that is all of my stuff from Amazon. Now I'm slowly waiting on my wig. I'm really hoping they don't scam me because it's just too much. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just had to do a quick little unboxing to show y'all everything that I got for my wigs. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you're brand new. And we will be back with more videos.
Peace.
You can see him in the back. I'm weak. All right. Peace.
My shooters gon' hop up the van.